Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So this is my all-wheel drive H2B car. I wanted to bring you guys along today. The virus has everybody basically shut right down, so I decided to bring the turbo, bring the manifold, and I want to do some test fitting. So I'm basically gonna put this thing on. I gotta pull the studs out of my old ones. So you can see here, I had the Password JDM studs right up here. So I'm gonna actually pull out the stock setup. I got two 12 mils. I'm just gonna do that. So I'll get a time lapse for you guys, show you how to get all the studs out, and then we can go from there. I'm gonna install them back in here. So I got a OEM gasket, triple layer gasket. So got this all cleaned up, and this thing's gonna be ready to be installed. I just want to see if we're gonna have enough clearance with the QSD alternator relocation kit. So worst case, I do have my frame notch, so I can actually put the stock one back on, but we'll go from there. So I'll keep you guys posted, and you guys can see what's up. Alright guys, so I just got my studs out from my other H23, and we're going to try to fit this badass KLM top mount H2B header. So we're going to see where it all goes up to, but is it ever going to look some badass? So I was going to pull this line off, but I think I can fish it through. So let's just see what we can do here. Go slow. Like that, like that. Yes, sir. I'm excited for this, boys. Look at this thing. Wow, look at that. And it clears. And it clears, boys. No way. I'm stoked. I'll just tie these back some, right? You can tie it back like that, but it clears. Man, what a piece of work. Look at this. 4-piston head, KLM, insane manifold. I can't wait to see this thing golden up after the first startup. But man, is this thing ever gonna be on kill. So T4 top mount, fully ported with precision 66, so V66. So it's gonna be badass. Oh man, I'm stoked, boys. So besides that, you guys can see how the turbo is actually gonna sit on it, and then we'll have it coming straight down. Man, I'm stoked, guys. So this is the turbo that we're running. So it's a rebuilt Precision 6766 with a billet wheel. So upgraded billet wheel. And yeah, it's got the big back half here. So what I gotta do to get it on the manifold is I gotta clock it. So we're gonna get clocked all right. And yeah, I gotta get some bolts. I gotta go get 4 bolts for this thing. So once I get those, and I got the wastegate on its way, So shout out to Richard. And then yeah, I can mount this turbo. Once the turbo is mounted, I'm gonna do all the feed lines, the drain line. So you guys can see here, because the car is H2B, it's already got one welded on the front. But for right now, we're gonna put another one here. So this is for the drain. So with H2B, the motor sits so far forward that we can't actually drain all the oil out of the back where the normal drain would be. You guys can see. So MBF TIG welded this on for me, and we're gonna put another one here for the drain. So yeah, we'll go from there. And all right, guys. So a little sneak peek. I'm just showing you the size of the turbo, and I can't wait to get this thing fabbed up and mounted on top. So it's gonna sit right here. You'll see this. This will be sitting like this, and it's gonna be sitting just like how it is right now. And yeah, I'm so stoked for this, boys. It's been a long time coming, and with the all-wheel drive, I can't wait, boys. This thing's gonna hook and book. So it's a sleeve block, dart and sleeve. Shout out to them, and 4-piston racing head. It's a fully built setup. I just went and reworked it all, and yeah, I can't wait to see what this thing does. So it's gonna put down some good numbers. We'll see what it makes on gate first, and then I think that's gonna be like a 10 to 12 pound spring, and then we'll go from there. We'll turn this thing way up. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one.